Guys, I hope you're doing well today. Today I'm in Multan. It's my last day in Pakistan. So I had so much fun with all of my family members, and I had so much fun in Multan. So I'm gonna share, guys, what I'm gonna do in here. So let's go. Okay, this is Multan is a very beautiful place, and a new park just came out. So let's go there. Let's go to DHA. The road is also very beautiful, and I had so much fun with all my family members and cousin. You guys should know my cousin. I told you guys their names, right? Or did you forget? Appreciate my family, my aunt, for everything they care. They care so much for me. So this is what the Multan road looks like. I like it. Okay, it's almost evening, and it's at Multan. We're in Multan. Okay. Okay, now it's night. Oh, look at goat. Family loves me, and I will love them too, and I will miss them so much. Oh, look at those lighting stars. Too much lighting in the night. Okay. What time is it actually? Is it 12? I don't know. Maybe. Just kidding. This is Pakistan. Oh, look at these butterflies. They are really cute. Oh my gosh. OMG. Rather enjoyed with my mama. Okay. Look at those fountains lighting. Nice. I like it. Okay. You guys watch this video and enjoy it. Now you will guys see what I'm gonna do. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. So today I'm in Multan and push me apart. So this is the horse. So I was so scared, but at the end it's not so scary. Cause guys, yeah. In my school, I wasn't too scared, but yeah, this is cool. I like who's sitting on horse. Me and my brother are sitting together. Yep, I like it. It's in and this is the Turkish ice cream. I did it. Hey, give me that ice cream, man. I want that ice cream. Give me. Hey, my hair. I got something on my. Okay, this is the funny moment. Oh, I got some ice cream on my. Not my ice cream. I like that. I got some ice cream on my hand, and now it's my brother's turn. Let's see. I got some ice cream. Now let's see. I got a tricky treat. This is so good. Dancing. He's dancing, Lily. Oh my gosh. Dancing. Okay. Now. something to tell. It was really fun. Turkish ice cream. These are my cousins, and you guys know two of these girls, okay? One is Ziza, one is Nura. Okay, my brother is driving the car, and you guys enjoy the video, okay? I never go on there. Train, let's go in the train. We will see everything, okay? Everything. This is so good. I like it.
A few moments later.
So guys, now it's shopping time, and my next video inshallah will be of Multan airport because I'm going back to Saudi Arabia. So I hope you guys will see that and get ready for that video. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe guys. Bye.